Hello everyone, welcome to Andre Craft Show. For today's video, we are going to make a puff flower, and these are the materials that we are going to use. I'm using 2.5 mm hook. You can use any color of yarn. So let's start. This is how it looks like when you finish your project. So I'm using two different colors of yarn. First, I will make a magic circle and then the petals. There are so many ways on how to make a magic circle, and you can see that in my previous video. Just scroll down and check my videos, and I also uploaded it in my shorts. So in this video, this is how I will do it. Twist it and then adjust the yarn if needed, just so it won't be very hard for you to make your single crochet foundation. Now my magic circle is ready. I'm going to make 12 single crochet inside the magic circle as my foundation. To those who prefer to have a written pattern, just write down the text that pop out on your screen. I'm almost done. If you want a hole in the middle, you don't need to tighten it too hard. To finish your project, always slip stitch. To change the color, when you insert your hook in the first stitch or on top of the first single crochet, you pull out the other color. So just do how I do it. Pull the second color all the way out. That's how you do your slip stitch. For row 1, we will be doing a cluster stitch. To start the petals, you always start with chain 3 and end with chain 3. Basically, you're just doing a double crochet together, but like extended one, like this. You just have to pull that out. Make sure it's level to your chain 3, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then do it 3 times in the same stitch, and then another cluster stitch, and then chain 3 and slip stitch. So basically, we are using 2 stitches to make these puff petals. As you can see, I'm crocheting with all those extra tails of the yarn together with the stitches. So when I end this project, I don't need to wave it, but you can always leave it and wave after. But this is the easiest, quickest way to not put extra time to wave. So this is how it looks like. You should have 7 loops on your hook, and then pull through all those loops, chain 1, and then another chain 3, then slip stitch in the same stitch. And this is the pattern that you are going to repeat until you finish all the stitches, or you use all the stitches. So just push it a little bit out. Now I'm ready to make the next petals. So after chaining 3, let me just cut this yarn here, the extra yarn. basically for the puff stitch, I'm doing chain 3 and then extended double crochet together, like 6 extended double crochet together. So now I'm going to do the first extended double crochet. I call this one extended because I'm extending it anyway, so that's not a normal double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, then another 3 extended double crochet in the next stitch, because we need to use 2 stitches for these petals. So another 1, 2, and then 3. So you're supposed to have 7 loops on your hook, and then pull it through all the loops, chain 1, then another chain 3, then slip stitch. You have now your second cluster stitch. Repeat it until you have 6 or 5 petals. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like, and feel free to share this video with your loved ones, friends that are fun in crocheting. And yeah, thank you so much in advance. If you think those ends are secure, you can cut it, but make sure it's really secured. With these flowers, you can make it as applique or an embellishment to any of your project, and you can even do a business with this, like hair clips, anything that needs flower decorations. So I'm almost done. That's pretty much it. Just pull through all 7 loops on the hook, chain 1, chain 3, and then slip stitch. Make sure you slip stitch 2 times just to make sure the yarn is secured. And then after that, you can cut your yarn and wave the last tail. Push all those yarn out just like that to make it look more beautiful. And there you have it, the easiest flower you can make. You can wave these extra yarn in any way you want, but this is how I do it. Ta-da! Neat and pretty. You can use different colors for different project. I choose this orange color for this project because that is the available yarn I have. Now you can tell the difference with the one without hole and the one with a big hole. You can decide which one you want to make. Either way, it's pretty. And also you can put additional pearl or beads in this flower here. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.